Hello guys, welcome to the business analysis report from Group 3. So let's take a look at the preparation stage first. We go through the database and create the ER diagram based on the question that we will answer. We divide the database in two parts, the order data and the market data. We use the order data side and the closed order data side as the main table for two parts and creates the primary key for the rest of the table to connect them together. For the ETL process, we extract the data from the canvas and do the transform. The first transform we do is to change the first row of the table to the column header, and we also do the standardized the numerical value in the key financial column. And then we also do the currency transform from Brazilian real to the US dollars. So next, take a look at the operation insights.
Thank you. Now moving on to operational insight, we'll take a look at preferred payment methods. Credit card dominates with over 14K transactions, reflecting the convenience for online purchases, while Boleto, which are bank slips, serve unbanked individuals in Brazil, people that don't have access to traditional banking services and which are a vital demographic in this market. Now moving on to trends between different variables such as delivery speed and revenue, we'll see that orders delivered in 4 to 6 days generate the highest revenue with about $35 per orders, and suggesting that customers prefer a balance between speed and cost. Most deliveries occur within a 10 to 15 days delivery window, showcasing our company current logistical capacity. Delays beyond 15 days, although rare, highlight the platform ability to manage extended shipment. Item counts peak within this 10 to 15-day delivery range, reflecting our company logistical efficiency for handling larger orders in this time frame. Finally, Sao Paulo leads with the fastest deliveries and highest volumes, followed by Minas Gerais and Rio de Janeiro, while remote states like Rondônia, Alagoas, and Sergipe face longer delivery times and low orders, probably due to logistical challenges in infrastructures.
Is there a relationship between the number of review and average review score? The analysis show a very weak negative correlation of 0.046. Products with fewer reviews tend to have higher score while those with more reviews show a wide range of score, reflecting diverse customer sentiments. Average review by product category. Categories like luggage, accessories, and musical instruments scored perfect 5 but lacked review volume for reliability, while popular categories like bed, bath, and table had balanced score. Technology category underperformed, and the high performers were fashion and game. It is important to focus on these underperformers. Location, 7 states scored perfect 5 but with very few reviews. Sao Paulo leads with 22 reviews. Most states fall into high and mid tier range with no state below 4, focusing on Sao Paulo volume while increasing engagement in other region is important. Moving on to sales performance insight.
Okay, now let's take a look at the sales performance insight. First question, what are the products that are sold the most? The bar charts present a top 10 ranking of the product category based on their sales counts. The top performing category is bed, table, and base, followed by beauty and health and furniture and decoration, indicating a strong preference for home-related and self-care. And then let's take a look at the performance of the revenue. In 2018, the revenue reached a peak in the seasonal quarter. However, the third quarter shows a decline. The drop might indicate a temporary seasonal impact or other external factor affecting the performance during these periods. For monthly revenue, November 2017 and April 2018 report significant revenue increase. It might be driven by holiday shopping peaks. Overall, monthly trend exhibit marked seasonality, with peak months contributing significantly to quarterly totals.
How much of a reach do we have in the country? Any notable wins? For this analysis, we use the payment variable because it reflects the actual revenue in the country. In our findings, we saw that Sao Paulo leads with a total reach of 2,304 USA dollars, then followed by Rio de Janeiro with 971 USA dollars, and then Minas Gerais with 484 USA dollars in the country. Breaking it down further, we also saw that Sao Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, and Minas Gerais, respectively, they still have the lead when it comes to total orders and also unique customers by state. And we can say that they are the three strongest market for Mercado Libre in Brazil. Is it true that if we sell most expensive furniture, we will receive better customer ratings? Based on the analysis, the answer is no, taking into account that we use the variable price and we divided the price into four categories based on the range. And based on that, we see that the very low range received the highest average score of 4.82 with 11 reviews. And then the last place is for the very high range, which is the most expensive furniture that has the lowest average score with 4.2 with 28 reviews, meaning that the lower price furniture tend to receive higher ratings more than the most expensive furniture. And now we are going to talk about the marketing sellers' lead insights.
Our company used a diverse range of marketing channels which helped attain a lot of different potential sellers and customers. These channels included organic search, paid search, social media, email marketing, direct traffic, referral traffic, the list goes on. In total, we used 11 marketing channels. The most contributors were organic search with 29.9% and paid search with 20.7%. Together, they contributed over 50% of the total leads. Social media contributed a significant part, demonstrating potential growth with optimized strategies. Channels like display ads and other unclassified got the lowest recordings. A notable portion of 14.3% fell under the unknown category, indicating room for improvement in tracking systems.
Based on the analysis, our recommendations can be focused on the marketing leads, basically straining our organic search, paid search, and social media so they can be more aligned with the seller needs. Also, we can set realistic delivery based on the region, and we can create promotions and reward points to drive purchases. We can also tailor promotions by the customer ratings and also the price range. So maybe we can create segmentations from there. And finally, we can create a specific pricing strategies just based on the economical status on each state. So thank you very much. This is our recommendations and business analysis for Mercado Libre in Brazil.